What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggieonpennies. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan and simple recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm showing you how to make some crispy oven baked potatoes. So I'm a potato lover by heart. I love baked potatoes, boiled potatoes, mashed potatoes, yellow potatoes, white potatoes, and of course the beloved sweet potatoes. But sometimes I want, a change. I don't always want to eat them cubed or boiled or anything like that. And I've been loving making some fries at home, but I don't like deep frying. Number one, because it smells really bad in the house, and number two, because it's not really healthy. So that being said, I also don't have an air fryer, so I decided I would just show you guys my method for doing it at home without soaking or anything like that. I'm also going to show you guys how to make some dipping sauces to go with them, so make sure that you tune in for that. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more, and yeah, without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. So for this recipe, obviously the main ingredient is some potatoes. I'm gonna use some seasoning, some garlic and onion powder, and some salt, and some olive oil, of course. So step one is cutting. I'm going to try and slice them pretty thin. So I'm slicing them in big slice, and then I'm slicing those slices into smaller like matchsticks to have a fry shape, of course. So I'm using a chef's knife here. If you have the mandolin type thing, it's gonna be more straight, but yeah, mine are kind of wonky as you can see, but they're still gonna crisp up fine and be amazing. So I'm just doing that with my knife, and I'm just gonna end up with a lot of fries like so. So if you want exact measurements, just make sure that you check the description box, but it's gonna be a lot of fries like this. And then you're gonna bleach your potatoes in boiling water for about 10 minutes. So for the marinade, you're first gonna start with a generous amount of oil, some salt. I'm also adding some of that seasoning I had left. It's like some random seasoning, some salt-free seasoning. Then I'm also adding some onion powder, some garlic powder, of course, and also some paprika. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add some chili powder because I was almost out of that pre-packaged like seasoning. Then I'm adding my freshly blanched potatoes, and I'm really tossing them right in a bowl. That's really gonna ensure that every piece of potato is coated thoroughly with the oil marinade, as opposed to just pouring the oil right on the baking pan. So once that is done, I'm gonna pour all my fries on my baking pan and making sure it's on one even layer. Again, that's gonna ensure that everything comes out nice and crispy and it's not just steaming in the oven. So just one single layer, every fry should touch the pan. So that's going in the oven at 475 for about 35 minutes, and I'm flipping halfway through to ensure that both sides get crispy. I think we can all agree that the dipping sauce are the best part, so let's make sure that we create some bomb dipping sauces. So for the curry mayo, I'm literally just mixing some egg-free mayo with some cumin, some curry, and some turmeric. That's it. Look how amazing that looks. For the Thousand Island, I'm going in with some ketchup, some Dijon mustard, and again my egg-free mayo. Super easy and delicious looking. So it's not an authentic Thousand Island, but it tastes amazing, and that's the important part. So for the last dipping sauce, it's just a simple herb mayo. So this was actually my favorite. Yeah, it was so simple. So I'm starting off with some egg-free mayo yet again. Then I'm adding in some salt. I'm also adding in some really finely chopped parsley. And lastly, a big squeeze of lime. And yeah, you just stir it up really well. And it's so fresh and it's got a bright flavor. I love it. That's it, y'all. Now you're left with a beautiful plate of amazing crispy fries. All you have to do is just serve them with all your 3 dipping sauces and eat them by yourself or with your family if you're nice. So that's all I had for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe for quick oven baked fries. My whole family loves them, so every time I make them, they're always asking me if I fried them. I always have to say no, I only baked them. So I think they're pretty good for like everyone who likes really crispy fries. So hopefully you guys enjoy them. If you do and you do end up making this recipe, just let me know if you did enjoy this recipe. And that's it for today, you guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.